On and off the past few years, I've been developing a half-scale pinball machine themed after the original System Shock. What you can see here is my first prototype of the Slingshot assembly, which I'll be giving you a quick demo of. Now, in a normal pinball machine, the Slingshots would use leaf switches, but I found that a scaled-down ball just really didn't have the mass to actuate them reliably. Instead, what you can see poking through the playfield are a pair of inductive probes, essentially metal detectors, that I'm using to detect instead. They're very similar to the same model you'd find on something like a Prusa. Now, as you can see under the playfield, I'm using a 12-volt solenoid, but I'm actually running it at 18 volts to get a little bit more oomph out of the kick. It does generate a bit more heat, but I found that as long as you only pulse it for a tenth of a second, it's fine. Now, the LEDs in the Slingshot assembly aren't RGB, but I did design in sockets so I can change the colors during prototyping or perform maintenance in the final machine. The glow you see coming off the wood is from a thin sheet of polycarbonate covering the entire playfield. The polycarbonate serves two purposes. The first is just to cover any holes in the playfield that I need to drill for things like the inductive probes I showed earlier. The second is to protect the playfield artwork, similar to how Mylar is used on a full-size machine. If you're interested in the project or want to see more of the technical details, I've linked my blog in the description where I'll be posting updates. Well, that's all I'm ready to show at the moment, but I hope to have some more videos up soon. Thanks for watching.